that kind of messed up my hair. I don't know why I just did that like that. We're just gonna have to reclip it, that's all. Because my hair fucking... It's my hair, I don't know. I can always just re-tease it if I need. Do you have other socials? Yes, I have Instagram. Pigtails. Would pigtails be giving scene though? I mean, it could with the hair, I guess. Yeah, I should do the shirt first then the hair. That is true. I don't know why I did that. I don't know. I didn't decide on the shirt beforehand. See, if I freaking had hair powder, this would just be a lot better. Okay. Now, I have purple fishnets, so that'll look good. Okay. So, shorts now. Ah! Stuff on the floor. I have a couple pairs of black shorts. I think with these, well, wait. Well, because I can style the shorts with colorful things. So, if I wear the black shorts, I have a pink belt. I think pink and purple go pretty well together, so I also have my regular scene belt that I just call my scene belt because it's just like typically the, you know, you look so freaking cool. Thanks. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I'm gonna put on the shorts. Also, I'm not even going anywhere today. I'm just doing this for fun. As an FYI to anyone who's curious. Ow. Okay, guys, please don't leave the stream. I'm gonna put these on. This is so fun. I feel like I'm just... I don't know. This feels fun. I like it when people actually join my stream and like interact with me. Oh man, I haven't worn these fishnets in so long. Last time I wore these fishnets was for a concert. Yeah. It was when I saw Skillet with like Theory of a Dead Man and some other people. The purple fishnets are so cool. Okay. Yeah. Oh, are they inside out? I don't think they are. Oh, they're not. Or are they? Okay, no, I don't think so. Hey guys, I'm almost there. Just got the shorts on now, pretty much. Essentially speaking. Essentially. Now I wish I drove my boyfriend to work so I could show off how cool I am to his coworkers. Okay, I'm back. Okay, guys. So, these are shorts I can get off. And since they hikey hurt my stomach when I button them. Like, I can, but it hurts my stomach when I just do like this. Okay. Okay. And now, I think I'm just gonna, like, maybe crop it just a little bit. Oh, this will be cool. Yeah, this will be cool if I crop it a bit. It's still giving. So, for that, what am I gonna do? I just need a hair tie. Oh, where? Oh. Damn. That's funny. I always get scared if I see someone who looks like senior emo in public, because I feel like that's like my boyfriend's type. But he always reassures me too. That's the crazy part. Like, he'll always be like, I literally don't care about them. And like, he always tells me he likes like whatever style I'm wearing that day. So he's always like I can be dressed in the most basic outfit ever, and he'll be like, no, you look really pretty, you look beautiful. And I'll be like, are you sure? Are you positive? But then like at the gym, it's like when I go to the gym with him, and then I'm like, are you sure you don't want to be with a girl who has a bigger butt than you? He's like, no. He's like, I don't care. He's like, I don't care about, like, you know, he's super sweet. I love him. Yes, exactly. And yeah, he has made me cry, but it's because I'm frustrating to do with. It's not his fault. That I'm really sensitive. Like, really sensitive. Like, the smallest thing can make me cry. Why you have it unzipped? Because these are like high-waisted shorts, which I wish they weren't. And when you zip high-waisted shorts and you have a big stomach, it hurts your stomach. Because it's cutting off your circulation. So that's why I don't like wearing high-waisted stuff. Oh, ow. How did I do that? How old are you? I'm 20.